This 2000 Cherokee XJ came from Parks Canada. It's like an SE, partial police package. So it came with a factory lift, not more than a 3-inch lift. So the stock control arms do just fine. The oval to the front, the bow to the bow in. Just, see, that's nice, just like that. Now I need to do the front. Now needs just a little mod so I can go a little higher. Of course, this is at full drop of the axle, and the original, the stock ones actually touch the shock mount in a similar way. So here, just need a mark here, and then the other one is actually right in the corner. So we'll actually transfer it. I'll mark here on the bottom one for this other bracket, and then a similar distance like on the other side. This bracket here, we'll just do 2 little slots and then a little gentle persuasion to bend it, to fold it up a bit, and then we'll see if the top needs to be ground down a bit. You can actually see here it needs to go up, like the arm itself needs to go up a bit, and then we'll need to pull on the axle, or we'll see. Last time I pulled it forward with another ratchet strap, so we'll see how that goes. So the bottom first, with 2 cuts, about 3/8 of an inch, and then we'll fold it and refit and see where we stand. Now, a bit of persuasion upwards. There, that makes room for that. Now I'm tempted to zip just a little bit off the bottom of that shock mount. Now needs to go forward, so I'm going to release some tension off of the strap and see if it lines up. And some anti-seize on the threads. swapped out XJ lower control arms for WJs to prevent wear on the edges of the tires when at full turn. They rub, especially in parking lots and off-roading. This 2000 Cherokee XJ came from Parks Canada. It's like an SE, partial police package. So it came with a factory lift, not more than a 3-inch lift. So the stock control arms do just fine.